Namaste students. Today we are going to see the lesson as Baswa's farm. I am your EVS teacher. My name is Saranya. So Baswa's farm is the lesson. In this lesson we are going to see about agriculture and farming. I am Baswa. My father is a farmer. We live in Belvanika village in Karnataka. It is the month of July. Like every year, Appa, my father, is preparing the field to sow the onion crop. There are so many things to be done at this time. To help him, I don't go to the field with Appa. In the last few days, Appa has been using the Kunti. So Kunti means, see in this picture children, his Appa is having that, right, in, in his hand. That is called Kunti, which is a iron rod. Iron rod, they use to dig the soil and loosen it to make it soft. Because if the soil is hard means we cannot sow the seeds in that. Only if the soil is loose means easily we can sow the seeds. See here children, one question is there. In Baswa's area, an implement called Kunti is used to loosen the soil. So this is the tool children. It is called Kunti. What is this kind of implement called in your area? Draw it and discuss. Children, if your area they have called this tool as something else name, write their name and also draw this tool. Okay children. Next, find out from a farmer or someone elder in your family what kind of crops are grown in your area. Children, for this you can ask your elders what type of crops grown in your area. Like in my area, crops of wheat, rice, maize, mustard, gram, vegetables, etc. are grown. So in your area, what type of crops are grown? You can write that as answer. So in the seeds. So this year also my father will sow onion seeds in the field. So in the field this year also his father will sow the onion seed. The bullock will pull the courage and Appa will walk behind them. See in this picture children, this is the tool which will help to loosen the soil. So Appa also will walk behind them to sprinkle the seeds. I would also like to do this. So children, this is the onion seed. It will be like this. So Basma also likes to do this. Just like my Appa. But Appa says that it is necessary to drop the right amount of seeds at regular distance. So in this picture you can see the seeds, right children? Each seed you have some amount of distance should be there. If all the seeds in the same place means the plant will not grow. So it is very important to sow the seeds in the distance, regular distance. So this is not so easy to do. Without practice, we can't do that. He says that I may drop too many seeds at one place. I must wait till I am little older to be able to do this properly. So he is convincing himself like I will wait till I am become older to do this work. What other ways could be used to plug the field instead of animals? So children, for plucking the soil or field, we are using bullocks. We are using the animals. Instead of using the animal, we can use tractor also. So the answer is tractors can be used to pluck the fields instead of animals. The sprouts appear. It is now 20 days since the seeds were sown. The onion plants have started to sprout. Sprout means a very small plant. Along with the onions plants, weeds have also came up. So what is weeds? Weeds means unwanted plants. So like this, some other plants will be grown there. So weeds is the unwanted plants along with the crop. So weeds grow in the field and in the garden without being planted. Without we didn't plant anything or we didn't put any seeds, it will plant like that. Appa says that we must remove the weeds so that they do not take up all the water and fertilizer. So for a onion plant, we will be pouring a water and we will be pouring the fertilizers, right? So if weeds will be there means all the proteins it will take. So the onion will not be healthy. So for that, Amma, uncle and I will all help Appa to take out the weeds. So for this, the whole family is helping her father to take the weeds, growing plants. I'm happy to see the plants growing. They're all tall enough to reach the knees. The leaves have started turning yellow and drying up. This means that the onions are ready to be taken out. So in this picture you can see the children, the in this plant the plants are drying up and it turns to yellow color. So this means the plant is ready to harvest. Draw any crop which you have seen in the field. So if you have sown say many crops in the field, right children? So draw any one crop which you have seen in the field. Do you know why? Everyone at home will have to work to take the onions out. It is important that this should be done at the right time. So to harvest the onions, everyone should help this because there is some time duration. In that time duration, we have to take it out. Otherwise, if we are late, the onions will root in the ground itself. So, like this picture you have seen here children, the onions will root it on the ground. So, again the roots will be started and all our hard work will be wasted. If it is like this means we will not purchase these type of onions in the shops, right? So, it is a loss for them. So, for that the whole family members will help to harvest the onions on that time. Baswa helps his father in the field. Do you help the elders in your family in their work? What do you help them? So we will help our family members in many ways, right? So what type of work you will help for them? And do you enjoy that work? Write your answer as a homework. Okay, children. Next, the onion crop. Everyone at home is happy. This time the onions are big. and healthy. Amma and Auntie use the illich to cut the dried leaves from the top of the onions. So see here children, Amma and Auntie is cutting the onion plants, onions from the plant. So this is the tool which they used. It is called ilch. The ilch is a sharp and you have to be careful not to cut your fingers. So without practice, if we use that means we will cut our fingers. Appa and uncle fill the sacks with onions. Appa will take them in a truck to sell in the big market. So after they cutted the plants in the onions, Appa and uncle will pack that in the sack so that it is easy to carry to the market. Write answers in your notebook. Why is Baswa not able to attend the school for some days? So why means Baswa is not able to attend the school for some days because he needs to help his father in the field. So he is helping his father. For that he is not able to attend the school. Are there any fields near your house? What is grown there? So children, if nearby any fields are there, what type of seeds have grown there? Write your homework. Baswa's appa takes the onions to the market in a truck. Think, how would fruits and vegetables be taken to another place if there were no proper roads? If there were no proper roads, means how they will carry the items? It would be difficult. In olden days, people used to carry fruits and vegetables to such places by bullock carts, donkey, and boats, etc. So, by using animals and boats, they have taken the vegetables and fruits. And what kind of vehicles are used to carry the fruits and vegetables? Usually, rickshaw, tela, tempo, tractor, trucks, or etc. are used to carry the fruits and vegetables. Draw a picture of one of those vehicles in your notebook. So from this, you can choose any one vehicle children and you can draw it in your note. Next, find out and write. Given here are the pictures of some implements used by Baswa's family. Write the names of the implements. Also write what these are called in your area. What work are they used for? So children, they have in the book they have given name of the tool is Kurinch. And in your area, what they will call this tool? Write your answer. And what work it will do means to plugging. For plugging, they will use these type of tools also. And this tool, we have seen already, right? What is the name of the tool in this chapter? It is Kunti. And its work for digging. And this tool also we have seen in this picture, right? What is the tool in this chapter? It is ilch. It is used to cutting the vegetables. So in your area, what they will call for this tools, you can write it in this space children. They steps by Baswa's father. So what and all the Baswa's father did till now, we'll see it in the steps. First is plugging. Plugging, digging the field to make the soil loose. Next step is sowing the seeds. Seeds were sown at a proper distance. Irrigation, providing water to the growing plants. Removing weeds. Weeds are the unwanted plants that are necessary to remove from the fields. And the last one is harvesting, cutting off the ripe crop from the field. So these are the steps they have did for harvesting the onion. Many steps are needed to grow crops. Look at the picture and mark them in the correct order. So children, in this picture they have given in not in the proper order. So I will show you in the proper order. You just put number 1, 2 in the correct pictures and also write their names. The first picture is loosening the soil. So this is the first picture and the second picture is sowing the seeds. The third picture is removing the weeds. Fourth picture is cutting the large plants. Fifth picture is taking the onion out. And the last picture is packing onions in sack. So this is the order children. Put number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the particular pictures. Okay children. So find out about a crop that is grown in your area. Also find out the steps that are part of this work. Draw them in your notebook. So children, in this lesson we have seen about the onion. So you can take any other crops and you can draw and write the steps of how they are harvesting, how they are digging, how they are sowing the seeds. So what is the process? You can write it and draw it in the step by step process. Okay children, this is your homework. Okay. So children, hope you all understood the lesson. Here is your homework. Read the lesson and do your homework which I have mentioned. And copy the questions and answers in your classwork note. Okay children? Thank you.